Hey everyone. Today we're going to take a look at the 5 best framing nailers on the market for this year. We are going to show you our 5 selections and we'll discuss whether they are worth purchasing or not. For additional details and the latest pricing on the mentioned products, visit the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 1. Freeman Pneumatic Framing Nailer and Stapler Kit. The Freeman Framing and Finishing Nailer and Stapler Kit with Bag is a versatile and powerful 4-piece toolset designed to meet all your framing and finishing needs. This kit includes a framing nailer, a finish nailer, a brad nailer, and a narrow crown stapler, making it the ultimate all-in-one solution for carpenters, contractors, and enthusiasts. The framing nailer is perfect for heavy-duty projects, allowing you to drive 2 to 3.5-inch full-head nails with ease. The finish nailer, on the other hand, is ideal for precision work, providing a smooth and flawless finish to your woodwork. The brad nailer is great for delicate trim work, and the narrow crown stapler is perfect for securing narrow crown staples in tight spaces. With durable construction and ergonomic design, these pneumatic nailers and staplers are built to withstand the rigors of daily use. The included bag makes it easy to carry and store the tools, keeping your workspace organized and clutter-free. Whether you're framing a house, installing baseboards, or crafting furniture, the Freeman P4FRFNCB Pneumatic Framing and Finishing Nailer and Stapler Kit will be your go-to set for any job. Number 2. DeWalt 20V Max XR Framing Nailer. The DeWalt 20V Max XR Framing Nailer is a game-changer for professionals and enthusiasts looking for a powerful cordless solution to their framing needs. This tool-only option provides the freedom to use your existing 20V Max XR batteries and chargers, ensuring you have the runtime you need to tackle any project. With dual-speed settings, this framing nailer allows you to choose between high speed for faster productivity or low speed for enhanced control and accuracy. The depth adjustment feature further adds to the versatility, allowing you to precisely set the nail depth based on the specific application. Additionally, the ergonomic design and lightweight construction of the DeWalt reduce user fatigue during extended use, making it a great choice for both professionals and enthusiasts. Whether you're framing walls, constructing decks, or working on roofing projects, this cordless framing nailer will undoubtedly boost your productivity and deliver exceptional results. Number 3. Makita Full Round Head Framing Nailer. The Makita Full Round Head 3.5 Framing Nailer is a high-performance and reliable tool that delivers exceptional driving power and precision for framing applications. With its 21-degree full round head, this nailer can effortlessly drive 3.5-inch nails into even the toughest materials, making it perfect for heavy-duty construction projects. Designed for durability, the Makita AN924 features an aluminum housing and a built-in air filter, protecting the tool from dust and debris and extending its lifespan. The no-mar tip prevents damage to the work surface, ensuring a clean finish on your projects. The nailer's ergonomic design, combined with its well-balanced construction, provides comfort and control during prolonged use. Its tool-less depth adjustment and easy-to-use loading mechanism make it a breeze to operate, even for less experienced users. Whether you're building framing structures, installing subfloors, or constructing outdoor decks, the Makita Framing Nailer is a reliable and robust companion to have on the job. Number 4. Metabo HPT Cordless Framing Nailer Kit. The Metabo HPT Cordless Framing Nailer Kit offers unmatched portability and convenience without compromising on power and performance. This cordless framing nailer is powered by an 18V brushless motor, delivering the driving force needed to sink 2 to 3.5-inch framing nails into various materials with ease. The kit includes a compact 3.0 lithium-ion battery, ensuring you have enough runtime to handle extended projects without interruption. The brushless motor technology also contributes to the tool's overall efficiency and durability, extending the nailer's lifespan and reducing maintenance requirements. With a lifetime tool warranty, you can rest assured that the Metabo HPT is built to withstand the toughest job site conditions and stand the test of time. Its lightweight and well-balanced design and its ergonomic grip make it comfortable to use for long periods, minimizing user fatigue. Whether you're framing walls, building trusses, or working on sheathing projects, the Metabo HPT Cordless Framing Nailer Kit provides the freedom of a cordless solution and the reliability of a professional-grade tool. Number 5. Milwaukee M18 Cordless Framing Nailer. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 21-degree Cordless Framing Nailer is a top-of-the-line tool that combines the power of a pneumatic nailer with the convenience of cordless operation. Powered by Milwaukee's M18 fuel technology, this framing nailer delivers unparalleled performance and reliability for professional carpenters and construction workers. With a brushless motor, the nailer offers maximum efficiency and longer runtime, ensuring you can tackle large framing projects without interruptions. The M18 RID Lithium XC 5.0 battery provides ample power and can be used across the entire M18 system, offering versatility and compatibility with other Milwaukee tools. The depth adjustment allows you to control the depth of the nail precisely, and the dry fire lockout feature prevents firing when the magazine is empty, protecting the tool and work surface from damage. The rafter hook provides added convenience, allowing you to hang the nailer securely when not in use. The tool's consistent nail placement and powerful driving force make it suitable for framing, sheathing, and deck building applications. Its 21-degree magazine angle allows for easy access in tight spaces and awkward angles, improving maneuverability and productivity on the job site. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily helpful videos. Check the description for more info and prices. Leave a comment for assistance. Enjoy life with our amazing products. Thanks for watching, have a great day.